Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Mercedes CLK here at the shop and we will demonstrate how to remove or replace the glove box assembly on it. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that now. We have more than 100 videos. Please check the channel out, subscribe. Hopefully we will save you money in the future and many more vehicles to come as well. So let's go ahead, empty the glove box now guys. And there is actually two caps here on the bottom. Okay, that you need to pop loose with a small screwdriver. Okay, second one there. Now it's a Phillips screwdriver. And those are usually not very tight. You can use the little bitty ratchet on this one, but usually they come out by hand, just with the bit. Okay, one is out. Now working on the second one. Okay, right there now we need to get the bolts out of there, the screws. To pick them up. Okay, and now the second one. Perfect. Now you can go ahead guys and pull the whole glove box assembly. We need to disconnect the wires for the light. You press in and pull. Okay, and this one there as well. You can see two of them. And this is the glove box guys. This is the whole assembly. So when you get a replacement one, all you have to do guys, connect the wires. You can see the one towards the back goes first and then the other one. And you just get it in all the way, install the two screws, put the caps on, and this will be the whole video guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.